Hey there lovely people on the internet. This is Nayan and you are watching dev-nayan. Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to create these awesome buttons with cool hover effects using only HTML and CSS. So let's jump into the video. As usual, create a folder first. Name it to buttons and open it with Visual Studio Code. Create a file index.html. Create another file style.css. Go to our index.html file. Basic HTML5 boilerplate. Rename the title. Don't forget to link the CSS file. Inside the body, take a div with the class container. Then button, class btn, id btn1, hover. Copy this line 3 times by pressing Alt Shift and down arrow. Change the id name btn2, btn3, btn4. We are done with the HTML part. Save it and open it with live server. Here is our buttons. Now we need a font. Go to fonts.google.com, search for Montserrat. Here is it. Scroll down and select the bold one for now. Click on this icon, select import, copy this line and go back to our style.css file. Paste it here. Universal selector, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. This extra margin will remove now. Call the body tag, go back to fonts.google.com, copy this line and paste it inside the body. Height 100 VH, display flex, justify content center, align items center, background 262835. Okay. Now call the btn class. Width 120 pixel, height 40 pixel, font size 16 pixel, font weight 700, color white, background transparent, border 1 pixel, solid, FBBA16. Whenever you hover on the buttons, our cursor should be pointer. So cursor, pointer. Perfect. Let's add some margin. 0 pixel for top and bottom and 10 pixels for left and right. Our button position will be relative. Now btn and the pseudo after element, position absolute, content blank, width 5 pixel, height 5 pixel, background FBBA16. Here is our tiny after element. Let's make them round. Border radius 50%. Now they are rounded. Add a hover effect on our buttons. btn hover and then after. Width 130 pixel. Height 130 pixel. Now whenever you hover on the button, the after element is growing up horribly. Don't worry, we'll fix it later. It's time to style the button on. So call the id btn1, btn1 after, bottom 5 pixel, left 5 pixel. Now our after element is set in the bottom left corner. Let's add the hover effect. So id btn1 hover and then after element, bottom minus 46 pixel, left minus 7 pixel. Okay, the after element is covering the button. Let's add z index in the btn after element. Z index minus 1. Now the after element is behind the button, but the white color is less visible in yellow. Let's change the color. btn hover, color 262A35. Everything is happening here very quickly. Let's make them smooth. Come back to the btn class. Transition all 0.5 second ease. Now the color of our button is changing smoothly. Now go back to our btn after element. Transition all 0.5 second ease. Now it's perfect. It's so satisfying, right? I wanna hovering it all the day. Okay, now come back to the btn class. Overflow hidden. Oh my god, friends, isn't it satisfying? Okay, let's style our second button. Copy these lines. Change the ID btn2 btn2. Just change the property name, right? That's it. It's time to style the third button. Again, copy these lines. Change the ID btn3 and btn3. Now it will be top 5 pixel and it will be left 5 pixel. Same here, top minus 46 pixel, left minus 7 pixel. Now let's style our last button. Same process. Change the ID btn4 and btn4. Now right 5 pixel and here right minus 7 pixel. Perfect. Let's create another button. This time let's hide the yellow dot. Duplicate this line btn5. Copy these lines btn5 btn5. Top minus 5 pixel, right minus 5 pixel. The dot has gone outside the button. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned anything from this video, then please like this video, comment down your thoughts and share this video on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon, then select all to have more interesting videos like this one in future.